In this video, I'm going to share the third iteration of my open case PC to accommodate my latest and largest GPU yet. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Alan Gadgets. The price of GPU has dropped quite a bit beginning from the end of last year after the release of the GeForce RTX 40 series. And it was then that I decided to get the card that I've always wanted to upgrade to, the RTX 3090 Ti. The only problem I have with my second open PC casing is that I can only fit a small graphic card. As you can see here, I was previously using the RTX 2070 Super, so that's why I decided to upgrade the casing to something that could accommodate the length of the 3090, which is about at least 30% longer than the 2070. The casing that I went with was the Xproto-ATX. It's a vertical open case PC, and it's a more slimmer, taller form factor which require a smaller surface area for it to stand on. The casing is made from high quality aluminium with a matte finishing. And the best thing is that it even includes a hidden handle for you to carry if you need to do that. The casing is a little bit pricey, but in my case, I really need it to work, and it worked well for me, so I think it's money well spent. There are many casings to choose from to accommodate different type of form factor and the different type of PC configuration that you have. So that's all I have for you today in this short introduction of the XTIA Xproto-ATX open casing. If you find this video interesting or helpful in any way, do click on the thumbs up and share this video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell button, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!